Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can splice or blend in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my CapCut application, and as you can see I have created a project, and I'm going to show you how you can blend videos or splice videos. I'm going to add my video to the timeline like this, and then I'm going to blend these videos. Okay, tap on the second video and go to the basic and scroll down until you find the blend option, and we're going to apply the blend mode. You can choose the blend mode that you like. I'm going to show you guys the blend mode we can apply. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with a darken. Okay, and this is the result. And as you can see that my videos have been blended together. Okay guys, and that's all the way to blend or splice in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.